What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping straight into American automotive royalty. Forget modern touchscreens, forget driver assists, today we're talking pure style, prestige, and post-war optimism. This is the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado, finished in a stunning cherry color that absolutely screams luxury and confidence. Back in the early 1950s, Cadillac wasn't just building cars, it was building dreams, and the Eldorado was the dreamiest of them all. This was not an ordinary Cadillac, this was a limited production halo car, designed to show the world exactly what American engineering and design could achieve. The cherry paint glows under the light, giving this classic an almost jewelry-like presence, and even before you move an inch, you can feel the status it carried. Today, we'll walk through every detail, from the exterior elegance to the plush interior, the smooth performance, and finally what this rolling piece of history is worth today. So sit back, imagine cruising down a 1950s boulevard, and let's dive into the legend. Exterior. The first thing that hits you about the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado is its presence. This car doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. The long, low body sits gracefully on the road, and the cherry color gives it a rich, almost regal personality. Sunlight dances across the paint, highlighting every curve and chrome accent. Cadillac went all in on luxury here, and it shows. The wide front grille is bold and proud, framed by large, elegant chrome elements that instantly identify it as a Cadillac. The hood stretches out endlessly in front of you, topped with subtle ornamentation that adds to the car's stately character. One of the most iconic features of the 1953 Eldorado is its wraparound windshield. At the time, this was cutting-edge design, offering better visibility and a futuristic feel. The low roofline and open convertible layout make the car feel sleek and glamorous, perfect for coastal drives or high-society events. Chrome trim runs gracefully along the sides, perfectly contrasting with the deep cherry paint. The wheels are simple but classy, wrapped in wide whitewall tires that complete the classic 1950s look. At the rear, the Eldorado keeps things clean and elegant. The tail design is smooth and refined, with subtle hints of the fin styling that would later define Cadillac in the late 50s. The chrome rear bumper shines like a mirror, and the overall shape feels balanced and sophisticated. Every angle of this car feels intentional, like it was sculpted rather than assembled. Even standing still, the 1953 Eldorado feels alive, like it's ready to glide effortlessly down the road while turning every head in sight. Interior. Step inside the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado, and you're immediately transported to a time when luxury meant comfort, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. The interior is spacious, airy, and designed to make every occupant feel special. The dashboard is a beautiful blend of form and function. Large, easy-to-read gauges sit behind the steering wheel, giving the driver all the essential information without clutter. Chrome accents and polished trim run across the dash, reflecting light and reinforcing the car's premium identity. The steering wheel itself is large and elegant, designed for smooth, relaxed driving rather than aggressive handling. When you grip it, you feel a connection to a time when driving was an experience, not a chore. The cherry exterior pairs beautifully with the interior color palette, creating a harmonious flow between outside and inside. The seats are wide and plush, upholstered in high-quality materials that were considered top-tier for the era. Everything feels soft and welcoming, from the cushions to the armrests, making long drives feel effortless. Cadillac paid close attention to color coordination, ensuring everything felt cohesive and upscale. The convertible top, when raised, adds another layer of comfort, sealing the cabin nicely and making the Eldorado just as enjoyable in cooler weather. There's a sense of openness inside the Eldorado that modern cars rarely replicate. With the top down, the cabin feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Conversations feel easier, the ride feels more social, and every journey becomes an event. This interior wasn't designed just to get you from point A to point B, it was designed to make you feel important every single mile. Performance. Under the hood of the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado lies the heart of classic American power. This car is equipped with a 331 cubic inch V8 engine, a powerhouse for its time. It delivers smooth, confident performance that perfectly matches the Eldorado's luxurious personality. This isn't a car built for racing, it's built for effortless cruising, and it does that exceptionally well. The V8 provides strong acceleration for a car of this size, with a deep, refined exhaust note that reminds you there's serious muscle beneath the elegance. Power delivery is smooth and linear, making the Eldorado incredibly easy to drive. Paired with an automatic transmission, the driving experience is relaxed and refined. You don't feel rushed behind the wheel. Instead, you feel in control, gliding along the road with grace. Suspension tuning focuses on comfort, soaking up road imperfections and delivering a plush ride. Even by today's standards, the Eldorado feels composed and confident, especially on long, straight roads where it truly shines. Steering is light and easy, allowing you to guide this large convertible with minimal effort. The car feels stable, planted, and reassuring, exactly what you'd expect from a flagship Cadillac. Braking performance, while basic by modern standards, was more than adequate for its time. Everything about the driving experience reinforces the idea that this car was built for smooth, dignified travel. Whether cruising through city streets or stretching its legs on the open highway, the 1953 Eldorado delivers a driving experience that's calm, confident, and deeply satisfying. Prices. Now let's talk about value, because the 1953 Cadillac Eldorado isn't just a car, it's a collectible masterpiece. When it was new, the Eldorado was one of the most expensive American cars on the market, aimed at celebrities, executives, and those who wanted the very best. That exclusivity has only grown stronger over time. Today, prices for a well-preserved or fully restored 1953 Cadillac Eldorado can reach truly impressive numbers. Depending on condition, originality, and restoration quality, values can range from high six figures to well over $1 million for exceptional examples. The cherry color, especially if it's period correct and beautifully maintained, adds even more desirability. Collectors value the Eldorado not just for its looks, but for its historical significance. This was the car that helped define Cadillac's image for decades to come. Limited production numbers make it rare, and rarity drives demand. As a result, the Eldorado continues to be a strong investment piece in the classic car world. Owning one isn't just about driving, it's about preserving history. Maintenance and restoration costs can be high, but for enthusiasts and collectors, that's part of the experience. You're not just buying a car, you're buying a symbol of American luxury and ambition. The 1953 Cadillac Eldorado in cherry color is more than metal, chrome, and leather. It's a time capsule from an era when America was full of optimism, style, and confidence. From its breathtaking exterior to its luxurious interior, smooth performance, and elite status in the collector market, the Eldorado represents the very best of classic Cadillac engineering. Driving this car isn't about speed, it's about presence. It's about enjoying the journey, feeling the road, and appreciating the craftsmanship that went into every detail. Even today, over 70 years later, the Eldorado still turns heads and commands respect. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most iconic luxury cars ever made, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what classic car you want to see next. Until then, keep cruising, keep dreaming, and I'll see you in the next one.